I want to take the time to really dive into float with fat mud. And I'm going to show you today how to float just one wall. I start off with putting up my 1/2-inch stick.
I got everything I need. I got my level, my 6-footer, hammer, stapler just in case I got a staple, my floating strips, 1/2-inch and 1/4. I got all my floating tubes, my wood float, my rubber hammer, flat trowel, hawk, sponge, and mud board and mud stand. And my metal edges, I got a 5-foot and a 3-foot. And that's what I'm going to use today.
This is what it takes to float. These tools aren't expensive. You get them all at Home Depot. I'll leave a link below, maybe a list of tools for you. And you see that how that 1/2-inch stick is like a guide. I start off from the top and I work down. Pretty easy. I mean, I've been doing this for years. And anybody can do it, man.
I'm using spec mud to float these walls out. I got my auger bit. I'll leave a link below for this thing. Is awesome. I got my water, my lime. I put a little bit of lime in each one of those. Now I dump this in there and go to town.
Just fill up your wall. This technique has been around for centuries. I have no callbacks. My walls are flat, plumb, straight. The tile goes on, no lippage. This is what you want to do. Just watch these videos and you can do it too. When your wall is this flat, tiling is so easy, it does it by itself. I'm taking my 1/4-inch sticks, pressing them right into the mud while it's still workable. And here's where most guys rush it. Don't. You grab your level or a good straight edge if that's what you've got. Pound them in easy taps. You're reading the bubble the whole time. You're not done until that wall is plumb. Plumb means perfectly vertical, straight up and down. No lean, no bow, no excuses. Because here's the thing. If your wall's off plumb, your tiles are plumb. And unlike a bad haircut, that doesn't grow out. It's there forever. We take the time, we set the sticks, we read the level, we make it right. I'm showing you how to rod off a wall. It's pretty simple. Get your edge and go back and forth. Guys, you can do this. With that auger bit and the spec mud you get at Home Depot, you just throw it in the bucket, put the water in there, whip it up, bring it in, throw it on the mud board, and go to town. You will thank me once you realize how easy and your wall comes out so perfect. Years of grouting in a book. Grab it. Link below.